Hey guys, Omar here with the Samsung Buds, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick little unboxing. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. So I'm just going to open these for you here, and straight out the box you've got the ear cradle, the charging cradle itself, considerably smaller than the previous iteration, which was the IconX's, the 2018 edition. And if you move along, so you got those, the cradle, which obviously has the wireless earbuds there, and then you've got nothing else inside the box apart from this little package, which has obviously the wingtips and the extra earbud sizes. Probably come in small and large here. The medium will probably be on the actual earbuds themselves. So you got those, and then you've got a USB-C to normal USB charging cable. So putting those accessories aside, so you've got the earbuds themselves, and obviously you take them out. They are sort of magnetic, just like the old ones, so you can't obviously, really shake it about. So if I do this, it's going to come out. However, they are sort of magnetic, just enough to sort of align the pins so they charge properly and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, the footprint is smaller, so there's less of a bulge in your jeans and whatnot. So if I open this one and then I open that one, you can see the size of each cradle, and obviously the earphones there as well. So that was just a quick look at what's inside the new Samsung Buds. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.